Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study psychology for your HSC. First, familiarize yourself with the syllabus to know exactly what's expected. Next, focus on creating clear, concise notes that you can easily review. Finally, incorporate active recall and spaced repetition into your study routine to solidify your understanding and improve retention. These steps will build a strong foundation for success. To master core psychology concepts, begin by breaking down large theories into smaller, digestible sections. This makes learning less overwhelming. Then, connect these concepts to real-world scenarios. This helps you understand their practical application. Visual aids like mind maps or flowcharts are excellent for seeing connections and organizing information, making recall much easier during exams.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these study tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation. After a long study session, let the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handle the cleaning. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, so you can focus on your psychology. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Acing your psychology exams requires consistent practice. Start by regularly working through past HSC exam papers under timed conditions. This builds speed and familiarity. Next, carefully review the marking guidelines for each question to understand what examiners are looking for in a strong answer. Finally, dedicate time to refining your essay writing, ensuring your responses are well-structured and evidence-based. For smart revision, begin by summarizing key topics each week. This helps consolidate information and ensures you don't fall behind. A powerful technique is to explain concepts to a friend or family member. If you can teach it, you truly understand it. Also, create and use flashcards for quick, focused review sessions, especially for definitions and important researchers. These methods boost retention significantly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.